All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be doing something pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but I just want to put it out there just in case some of you guys with the brand new 2017, 2018 Type R don't know how to do it. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change the oil. So first off, we're just going to go ahead and get the car in the air and then start from there. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is there's a whole bunch of these Phillip head screw or flathead screws, clips rather. So you're going to want to go ahead. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to go ahead and take my flathead and finish taking off this under shield. So just only about a quarter turn, and then these just pop right out. Okay, so once you get those 6 flathead clips off, the next thing you want to do is take these Phillips screws out. So I'm going to go ahead and start to unscrew these. Alright, I'm going to put my camera down for this one because I do not want this shield to hit me on the head. Alright, so once you get that under tray off, everything else is pretty straightforward. You're going to want to take a 17 and start to drain the oil. Then after that, this oil filter location right here seems fairly straightforward. And then, yeah, let me just go ahead and undo this oil real quick. Actually, you know what? You can hold the camera for this. Now, this stuff is 0W20, so it's pretty much water. Some dark oil. Alright, so once everything's done, you just put the shield back in, put these 6 clips, rotate them counterclockwise, 1/4 turn, and then put these back on. So now we're going to bring the car back down and then put in the oil. Alright, once you get back to the top of the car, the owner's manual says it takes 5.7 quarts of 0W20, so he went ahead and went with the Amsoil Signature Series. So yeah, just go ahead and top it off and check the oil level. That's pretty much how you do a oil change on a 2018 Civic Type R. So until next time, guys, later.